When they have come here, the duty of the French dignitaries was to take the actual note of what people are going through here. There are rampant evictions happening in Kaziranga. Did they ask anyone that who were the people evicted? They should have come to visit the people who were evicted in Kaziranga, not go in VIP cars and vehicles and only to places which was taken by the Forest Department and designed by the Forest Department, but not by the actual inhabitants of this space. So we request the French government, the French dignitaries, to take a note of this fact and to review the whole process of their funds and conduct social audits, public audits, where they meet the actual real indigenous and local communities of Kaziranga who are sacrificing their economy, their lives for the security, safety and prosperity of Kaziranga, but still they are not given basic land entitlements. And I would like to bring to your notice, Eco Development Committee is a committee which is headed by the Forest Department. On the other hand, there is a law of this land, the Forest Rights Act. Forest Rights Act is not recognized in Kaziranga, and may I ask the French government or the dignitaries if they know why Forest Rights Act is not implemented in Kaziranga. Because of the non-implementation of Forest Rights Act, indigenous communities are being evicted from Kaziranga National Park, and also in the name of expansion, unscientific expansion, they are taking more and more territories of the people here. So we request the dignitaries to take note of this and to uphold the Forest Rights Act, which is a right of the people of this country, and to make a point that if the government wants to work for the benefit of the people, they need to do it in bright daylight and to do it in transparency.